Hey everybody, thanks for stopping in to check out this video. I love everything farmhouse, so I knew when I saw one of these trays, I had to make one. So let's jump in. Okay, this is going to be a really quick and easy one. You'll need 2 of these Dollar Tree shovels. Now, if you haven't seen this one yet, it has a really great wooden dowel as a handle. It's similar to the plunger handle, but there's no grooves at the end. And then off the plastic shovel, we're going to use the handle. So they are attached with a little screw. I took the screw out before filming, and then they just pop right off. I'm also going to use 2 of these little planter saucer trays. I think they were called rolling trays, I'm not sure, but they were already a beautiful grayish green color, but I took them out to my backyard and spray painted them in a flat white. And then I'm just taking my sanding block to distress it a bit, let some of that really pretty greenish gray color come back through. Okay, here they are all distressed and ready to go. And then I spray painted the wooden handle black, and I spray painted the little shovel handle black as well. So I took that dowel out to my saw and cut it. And now we're going to use this. It's a construction adhesive I got from Home Depot. It's called No More Nails. I love this stuff. Now you can use hot glue or E6000, but I love the way this stuff holds. So you just squeeze a little bit on, and then it's repositionable. I think it said for 45 seconds, and then it gives you a really strong hold. So I just held it on there for a few minutes, and you will feel when it starts to really feel secure, so then you can let go of it. Okay, so then we set that aside to keep letting it dry. Now we're going to put the top handle part together. So for this part I just used hot glue. That handle basically is just going to be for decoration, so we didn't have to worry about too strong of a hold. So I just slid that over top. Now I did use quite a bit of glue because that handle is a little bit, the opening is a little bit wider than the dowel, so I filled it up with the glue. Now we're going to use more of this adhesive and glue the top on. Now I didn't film it, but I did secure this with a little screw. I put a little screw in from the top and from the bottom for the bottom piece, just to give it a little more stability. The adhesive did work really well, but I just wanted it to be a little more stable before I started adding my decor onto it. And there we go, it's all finished. And then I added some of my decor pieces on it. Now that fresh egg sign and that love sign were both previous DIY videos that I will link in the description box if you'd like to check those out. But I want to quickly say thank you for everybody for checking out this video. If you're new here, please take a second, hit that like button, and I would love it if you would subscribe and stick around so you can be notified when I upload some more videos. And if you're returning, thank you. I really appreciate you, and I'm so glad you keep coming back. And as always, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.